Hi there. If you are joining me for gentle painting on Sunday, we'll be painting the Canoe Ride. You're going to need some sponges, and I have some from the dollar store and some from Michael's. As long as you have some sponges with a little bit of holes in them, you'll get the textured look that we need for this painting. I've cut mine into smaller pieces, and if you have gotten a kit, you'll have at least 2 different types of sponges, and you'll be able to experiment with those. You're going to need round brushes. I have a 7 and an 8 here. A 6 will do as well. We will be using them to paint some tree trunks. You can see that here. Very simple reflections to get started, and then we'll be blending a lot with these sponges and creating a very interesting sort of patchwork of different colors that over time will result in this beautiful mixing of greens and yellows and oranges. Now, don't be intimidated by the canoe. It is pretty easy, so I'm going to give you a demonstration. For the most part, this is the stroke that we'll be using. And of course, you can go back in and touch it up, and I'll give you little tips and tricks to add a little bit of definition to that. You can find me on the Attached Niagara Caring Connected Communities Facebook group live on Sunday at 1 p.m. Hope to see everybody there.